In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Freshdesk URL. Firstly, let's dive into why you might want to change your Freshdesk URL. As your business evolves, your brand identity might shift, prompting a need for your support URL to reflect this change, or perhaps you're looking to make it more memorable for your customers. Whatever your reasons are, adjusting your Freshdesk URL is a straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. To kick things off, you'll need to navigate to the Freshdesk website. Once there, click on the Login button. A prompt will appear asking for your email address. Go ahead and type it in, then click on Continue. This will take you to the main dashboard of your Freshdesk account. Once you're logged in, your next stop is the Admin tab. You can find this easily on the main navigation bar. Clicking on this will take you to a more detailed settings page where you can adjust various aspects of your Freshdesk account. Now look for the account option in the admin panel. This section holds the key to various fundamental settings and information about your account, including your Freshdesk URL. Inside the account section, you'll want to find and click on Help Desk Settings. This page centralizes settings specific to how your help desk operates and appears to your customers. On the Help Desk Settings page, you'll notice an area titled Help Desk URL. Next to it, there should be an Edit button. Clicking this button will enable you to change the URL of your help desk. This is the moment where you can get creative, but remember to choose a URL that's aligned with your brand and easy for your customers to remember. Upon clicking Edit, you're ready to type in your new desired URL. Take a moment to double check your spelling and ensure it's exactly how you want it. Remember, this URL will be how customers access your support portal, so it's crucial to get it right. Once you're satisfied with your new URL, the final step is to click on Save. This action finalizes the change, and your Freshdesk portal will now be accessible via the new URL you've just set. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Freshdesk URL. It's a simple process, but an important one. A memorable and brand-aligned URL can make it easier for your customers to find help when they need it, enhancing their overall experience with your brand. Remember, it might take some time for the change to propagate across the internet, so don't worry if it doesn't update instantly everywhere. Changing your Freshdesk URL is just one of many ways you can customize your support portal to better serve your customers and reflect your brand's identity. Be sure to explore other settings and features within Freshdesk to fully leverage its capabilities. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found these steps easy to follow and practical for your Freshdesk account customization needs. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your customer support experience.